1960 Cadillac El Dorado with a 390, 6 individual carbs on it. Look at this thing. Mint condition, all original. Look at where the park is, all the way on this side. Look at where the reverse is, all the way on the other side, and the drive is in the middle. All original, really beautiful car. This was featured on Chasing Cars, if you guys know that show. But there it is. I'm going to let you guys hear it in a second. Look at that front grille, man. Why they don't bring this stuff back? Look at that. Wow. So nice. Straight as an arrow. All original. Really cool car. There's the wings in the back.
There's a boombox in the back.
And the boombox. Flows in the back the same way. Look at that. So beautiful. We're going to give it some sound, but right now it's quiet. It's factory. Too quiet for a beautiful car like that. Give a guess. Again? See how quiet it is? Go ahead. Cool looking automobile, man. Here's sound decibels on quiet, on stop. So guys, on the El Dorado, I'm gonna show you guys the undercarriage. And you can see what we installed in their place. Some sexy Valvetronics, Valvetronic designs mufflers with a single in, dual outlet with a cutout. So when the valves open, it goes right straight through the muffler. When the valves close, it goes through the muffler out the back all the way. All right. So as you guys can see, when it's open, the valve opens, it becomes a cutout and straight pipe right off the motor on each side, which looks freaking amazing. Hope you guys like it. So there's the Valvetronics right there and there. That's the type of mufflers they are. Single into dual out, 2.5 inch, 63 millimeter. So if you guys want that setup, it's a dual system, a set of 2 mufflers. Okay. Then the pipe continues, and we did a rear resonator delete 2 on each side, and ran the tips out the back, just like you requested. Came out really nice and really clear on this sexy, sexy El Dorado. Let's do one last walk down. Valvetronics. I know you guys are ready to hear them. So are we. The sexy El Dorado, 1960. Look at this thing, guys. 3 2-barrel carburetor. It's clean, guys. It's been ran through and just nice. I like it. I like stuff that's all original like this. I enjoy it more. Look at that catch canister right there. That is cool. Anyways, there it is. Just wanted to show you guys. 1960 El Dorado with Valvetronics. That's when the valves closed. Oh, it's quiet. That's good. The old lady will be happy. Girlfriend will be happy. Again? Wow, it's like stop with them closed. Again? Here's sound decibels. Oh, that's perfect. One more. Go ahead and open them now. So now this is with the valves open. He's about to open them. Yes! Look at his face. Look at it. That's it. That's it. Is that what you wanted? That's perfect. Valvetronics works best on stuff like that. That's awesome. You outdid yourself, Tim. That's perfect setup. Go ahead. That's awesome, dude. That is freaking awesome. Here's sound decibels with them open. Go ahead. Give a guess. It's probably like 110, 112, really. That is so awesome.
That's what I wanted, man.
Yeah, I love it. Perfect. So again, valves closed. That's with valves closed, guys. Valvetronic designs, valves closed. Again. Yeah, what a cool looking car. All right. So now valves open. And it changes completely right away. That's awesome. Huge difference. Again. He wanted the best of both worlds. He said, we got you, man. Valvetronics can accomplish that. Perfect. All right, this is pull one with valves closed from our beautiful guys at Valvetronic Designs on this sexy 1960 El Dorado. Here we go. It says valves closed. You can hear it, it's quiet. You don't even hear it. I love that. And that's exactly what he wanted. He said, I want it to be a cruiser and a hot rod at the same time. Valvetronics accomplishes that. So there you go. He'll be back in a second and we'll do valves open. All right, Schnuder, 1 second. Now we're gonna do valves open.
Thank you, Junior.
Enjoy it, brother.
You too. Appreciate you guys.
I love it. Here we go. Night and day. Best of both worlds at the same time. Valvetronics, you know what you're doing. Want it quiet? Close the valves. Want it open and loud? Open the valves. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.